Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So today we are going to go into the issue of performance in Windows. You may have encountered this in your daily life as well. You buy a new machine, it runs fine, it's fast, and then slowly over time it starts to get slow and gets bogged down. Now, a lot of it is because software over time starts to use some new technologies and newer hardware, so over time it slows down. However, one of the things that also slows down specifically Windows machines is you get some issues with files and DLLs. They're not the right versions. And this happens quite often. And the way to do this is by using something called SFC, short for System File Checker. Genius naming by Microsoft. So let's jump into it and see how we're gonna run this. First, what you wanna do is you want to run an elevated command prompt. So click on Start, type in CMD, and run as administrator. Once you are in the command prompt as an administrator, you want to type in SFC /scan now. And once this completes, it will tell you if there are any issues, and it will resolve minor issues. And hopefully it comes back and fixes all files. And if it does, you want to run it one more time. The second time that you run it, you should get 0 issues. If you still have issues, then it means that you can run it as many times as you want. It's not going to be able to fix those issues. So if SFC scan cannot fix issues, then we need to take a little harder line, which is to run DISM, which I'll make a separate video on that. But normally if you run SFC /scan now, about once a week or once every 2 weeks, your system files should be in good shape and it should fix minor issues with those files. Your system should keep running at full steam. Hopefully that will help you out. If it does, go ahead and click on like, go ahead and subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.